Okay, today I'm going to eat soup because I like it. This is glass noodles, they call them. Look, you see? It looks like glass. See? It's glass noodle with, I don't know, some pieces of meat in there, you know? Look, there's quite a lot. So, I like this as well. So I get some of this and put it in here. Okay. Then I get this one. And put it in. I like it. I like spicy. So like that. And then I get some of this. This is very hot, eh? Look. And put it in as well. And go all like this. And then I enjoy it. It's lovely. Look. Glass noodles today. Glass noodles with some meat and vegetables. Actually, I put a bit more of this, you know. Look. See? How nice. Beautiful. Look. More food from Vietnam. Food everywhere. Whoever likes street food, then you enjoy watching these videos. Everywhere, people sitting down, eating and cooking. This is something I didn't see anywhere, I think. What's the name? And these I haven't seen, look. Hello. Hello. Beautiful. Maybe I eat something here, I don't know, I'll have a look. I see. Today I fancy some soup, funny enough, you know. I haven't had soup for about 2 or 3 days. Look. So here I stopped again and I'm gonna buy some pineapple from this lady here. She's doing them fresh here, look. So I think I'm gonna choose this. Is okay, this? And then she gives you some of this, whatever it is, to put on. Okay, from this nice lady here, look. Say hello. Okay, fresh pineapple, she just cut it and she gives you this, I don't know what it is, to put it on top. So we see what it's like. Now she's gonna cut it for me even smaller, she said, look, it's better. So I can eat it better, she said. Because I told her I want to eat it now, you know. And that stuff. No, okay. Okay, I found something new here. Yes. It looks like sausage, but I asked her and she don't understand. She made some sauce on it, look. These are all ready, look, you see? Nem Nung they're called. And it says 100% of something there, I don't know. Nem Nung. And this, she's cooking them. These are ready. And then when she gives you one, she puts some sweet and sour, and you just walk around and eat it. Something else to try while in Vietnam. Okay, I managed to find something new again. So far I've been here 6 days now, and everything I eaten so far, it has been different. This is another something new. No idea what it is. We just made like a little thing. I've never even seen this. What is it? Never even seen it. I think it's some kind of sweet, you know. Oh, he's gonna put some milk now. Wow. It's like sweet, huh? Oh, and nuts. I'm sure it's gonna be nice. And he puts one of them on top. Okay, that's how it's served, look. Oh well, something new. Thank you. Okay, here I stop to take something else. But this time is with banana. You know, she uses this banana, look. And they come like this. So I got one. Something different. I thought they were similar to something I tried, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 days ago. But they're not. These are actually with banana. So there you are, something else different. Okay, this is something different I've never seen. I think it's sold by weight. I will see what it's all about. They all look nice. Let's see what I take, okay? One of this. One. One of this. Yes. And 2 of this. I don't know. And maybe one of that one in the corner there. And just to taste, you know. No, that one. Yes. One, no, it's enough. It's enough, I think, for now. Okay? If you don't try, you don't know. Look how nice. Really, really nice. And this one, look. Unbelievable. How many different things I have tried, it's unbelievable. I just drive around and as soon as I see something new, I always stop, and it's always good. Always. Then there is this, look. Again, very nice. Really nice. Unbelievable. So this is what they call the faint silver coffee. Faint silver coffee. I've never seen it anywhere advertised. It's silverish, but for me it's like all the others, but that's what they call it here, so I thought I'll try it and sit down on this beautiful place. Okay, this is like Kentucky Fried Chicken, but in Vietnam. They've got the shops all over Vietnam. These ones, I've seen them everywhere. And I walked in and I saw people eating this. This I've never seen it. Like, ever. It's with some kind of cheesy sauce, spicy and whatever. And I just took 3 pieces to try.